Welcome to this legal awareness video on the Consumer Protection Act, 2019. This video is brought to you by advocate Monique Barman. What is the Consumer Protection Act, 2019? It's a crucial law in India that protects consumers' rights and interests against unfair trade practices, defective goods, deficient services, misleading advertisements, and exploitation. Who is a consumer? A consumer is anyone who buys goods or avails services for personal use, not commercial purposes, by paying consideration. For example, a person buying a mobile phone for personal use or a patient receiving treatment at a hospital is considered a consumer. Who is not a consumer? A person who buys goods for resale or uses them for business or commercial purposes is not a consumer. However, if the goods are used for self-employment to earn a livelihood, the person is still considered a consumer. There are two main types of consumers: the consumer of goods, who purchases products for personal use, and the consumer of services, who avails services like banking, insurance, medical, or education. Where should you file a consumer complaint? The appropriate consumer commission depends on the claim value. File in the District Commission for claims up to 50 lakh rupees, the State Commission for claims from 50 lakh to 2 crores, and the National Commission for claims above 2 crores. How can you file a consumer complaint? You can use the online method through the dedicated portal, which allows filing from anywhere without an in-person visit. Alternatively, you can use the offline method by filing directly before the concerned consumer commission. The Consumer Act imposes punishment on the wrongdoers, which can include the seller, manufacturer, service provider, company, or trader. Punishments can include a monetary fine imposed by the Consumer Commission. It can also involve compensation awarded to the consumer for loss or injury, and an order to the seller to refund the paid amount. In serious cases of violation, imprisonment may be imposed. Additionally, there is a specific penalty for false or misleading advertisements. The main objectives of the Act are to protect consumer rights against unfair practices and deficient services, provide speedy justice through special forums, and prevent unfair trade practices such as misleading advertisements and overcharging. Consumers have rights, including the right to safety against hazardous goods, the right to information about quality and price, and the right to choice of various goods and services at competitive prices. Types of consumer complaints include defective goods, which have manufacturing defects or fail to meet promised quality. Other complaints are deficiency in services and overcharging, which is demanding more than the legally fixed or marked price. It is important to note that a consumer is not punished for filing a complaint in good faith under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019. Punishment is only imposed on the wrongdoer who violates consumer rights. In conclusion, the Consumer Protection Act, 2019 empowers consumers to seek justice and ensures accountability from sellers and service providers. This video is intended for general information and legal awareness purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more legal updates. You can find more information in the video description.